In this video, the full process of installing NordVPN on Linux Mint will be explained in a simple step-by-step way. Before we begin, use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Begin by going to the NordVPN website by clicking the link in the description. On the website, select Get the Deal. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Many users pick the Plus plan because it provides extra security features for a small extra amount. The 1-month plan can also be selected if needed. After choosing the plan, continue to the checkout page and sign up using an email address and payment details. After the purchase is complete, the NordVPN dashboard will load. On the left side of the dashboard, select Downloads. In the Downloads section, find NordVPN for Linux and click Download App. The installation file will begin downloading. Next, open the folder where the file was saved. Most systems place it in the Downloads folder. Inside this folder, right-click and choose Open Terminal here. The terminal will open in the correct directory. Enter the command ls to confirm that the downloaded file is present. Now, begin installation. Type the command sudo apt install file name. Use the tab key to auto-complete the file name. Press enter and enter the user password to continue. After the installation finishes, update the local package list by typing sudo apt update, press enter. After the update completes, install NordVPN by typing sudo apt install NordVPN, press enter to finish the installation. To confirm that NordVPN is installed correctly, type NordVPN help. This will show the available commands. To log in, type NordVPN login. Press enter. The terminal will show a link. Copy the link, open the browser, paste it, and press enter. Log in using the email and password created during sign-up. After logging in, a confirmation message will appear. Click Continue. Close the browser and return to the terminal. To connect to a NordVPN server type, NordVPN Connect, press enter. A connection will be made to the fastest server available. To connect to a specific country, open the terminal and type NordVPN countries. This will show all available countries. Copy the name of the country you want. For example, to connect to the United States, type NordVPN Connect United States, press enter. The connection will be made. To view connection details, type NordVPN status. This will show the IP address, connected country, and extra information. NordVPN also offers extra security settings. To view them, type NordVPN settings. To enable the kill switch feature, type NordVPN set kill switch on. This feature stops all internet traffic if the VPN disconnects. This prevents the real IP from leaking. To turn a feature off, type off instead of on. To disconnect from NordVPN, type NordVPN disconnect, press enter to end the connection. This is the full process for installing, logging in, and using NordVPN on Linux Mint. Remember to use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price.